Thieves cut your car's battery to kill the alarm. Not with Pandora Elite. Imagine this. Your car is parked outside, and you're relaxing with your phone before going to sleep. Everything feels safe. But outside, thieves need only seconds. First, they unlock the car using a relay attack, fast and silent. The door opens, and Pandora instantly reacts. Your phone rings. An alert. Unauthorized entry detected. The engine is locked. The thieves panic. So they try something far more aggressive. They open the hood and cut the battery cables. The car loses power, but Pandora Elite doesn't. The system switches to its built-in backup battery, and the alarm never stops communicating with you. The siren keeps running, and the system keeps contacting you with a call. The thieves panic and run. You step outside, your car is exactly where you left it. Your Elite remote beeps in your hand, and you know Pandora shut down a theft attempt. Pandora Elite, the world's most advanced vehicle security system.